So we asked a lot from our customers, what's the difference between these two glues and adhesives for making hair extensions. Bond to Weave, liquid gold Bond to Weave, been around for many, many years in the hair extension field. And this can actually go onto your tape, like I'm showing here. I added a little bit. And then you can lay your hair into it and then cover it. And it'll dry overnight in 24 hours, not a problem. Although Beta Bond Plus definitely needs a blow dryer. So once you have poured it out, you can see that it's white here, and you've poured it onto your tape. You want to definitely use a blow dryer and heat it up and give it some air. Air is key to make it tacky and become clear. And once it's clear, then you can then cover your weft. Because if you cover it, if you're making a hair extension and you cover it when it's still white, it will not dry inside this closed weft. It will not dry. So you have to use the blow dryer. So once it becomes clear and very tacky, then you can cover it, and then 24 hours later, it should be dry enough for your weft install. So that's the difference. That's the difference between these two adhesives. Bond to Weave has been around, like I say, for a really long time. Girls put it on wefts. They apply it right to their hair. They've made tipped hair extensions out of it, although I would never do that because I don't think it really works that well. But once you use it, and like I say, it can become clearer. It's a very little bit orange. It very much has a little orange tint to it, excuse me. And drying it with a blow dryer, either one is always best because, you know, glues need air to dry. So long story short, Beta Bond Plus, used in the movie industry, used in the hospitals. It's an acrylic, water resistant, dries clear, non-hazardous glue. It's, like I say, used in the movie industry to put on prosthesis and other things, also for medical reasons. It's used in many, many applications. Great, and it doesn't stink. I really like that. I use that a lot. But when I'm in a hurry, I go ahead and use liquid gold Bond to Weave, put it in the tape, put my hair in, cover it, wait till the next day, and then I'm ready for my install. So as long as you're using your hair wefting tape, long-lasting hair wefting tape by hairweftingtape.com. We've been selling our tape for about 14 years now. We're going on 15 now. So we're the only ones that make it, and we're the only ones that distribute it. So hairweftingtape.com is where you can get our tape to make your own seamless hair weft extensions. We have also a double side extreme hold. So when you're done with your wefts and they've aired and they've had the air and they've dried, then you want to close your weft. You don't want to close your weft on top, so when you're washing, water doesn't come in before these are dry, because they need air. So we have that too. And if you're into it, we have a single side. Here it is. For many people who want single side as a backing, we have extreme hold single side. So long story, there it is. The difference comes out white. You have to heat it up with a blow dryer. Comes out slightly orange. You got to heat it up if you want it to be dry faster. Heat it up. Either one will work, but this definitely needs a blow dryer. Do not close your weft when it's white. Okay, that's the difference. Hairweftingtape.com. Hope this helps.